On this part of the tutorial, I will be explaining about lighting for Radeon ProRender Plugin for Maya. The setup for a lighting is the same workflow as the original renderer with 4 types of lighting, including inside RPR physical light. To create a light, click on Radeon ProRender, Lights, Create Physical Light node. Let me explain about the lightings here. Area light is a lighting that is mostly used when creating a work. You can change the shape of light on the Area Light tab to any type of shape. The size of the light can be changed by adjusting area widths and lengths, but you can also use scale to make it light larger. By clicking Visible, the area light will appear in Render, where you can cast shadow on or off. Intensity is a color where you can set up lighting's brightness and color. You can adjust units by watts, lumen, radians, and luminance. You can change the color with temperature too. For the spotlight, you can change the light size by making it sharp or soft. Other part of the feature is same as area light. Directional light is the lighting I explained during the previous tutorial. This lighting is different from area light. It is a lighting that casts as the sun. By using Rotate tool, you can change the position of the sun. Intensity and shadow softness angle is the only part that can be adjusted for this lighting. For the point light, you can adjust the intensity and the color. You can cast the light from one part of the area. That will be all for the 4 basic lightings. Let's look into the environment lighting. Click on Render Settings and go to the Effects tab. There are 2 options where you can choose IBL or Sun and Sky. I will explain about the IBL setting first. You can import HDR files and use them as a PBR lighting. Click on Create on Image-Based Lighting. You can change the rotation by clicking on RPR IBL inside the outliner, and you can flip them by clicking on the check here. Next will be Sun and Sky. This is a physical sky that is made inside a CG environment. Azimuth is a rotation of the sky. Altitude is the height of the sun. If you make it lower, such as 5 for example, sky will become darker, but if you make it higher, it will be brighter. You can also adjust the sun and sky property in more details. Turbidity determines how much dust it is in the sky. Sun glow is the intensity of the sun's light. Sun disk is where you can adjust the size of the sun. This part is the same as directional lighting. Saturation is the color of the sky, so if you make this 0, there will be no color. Horizon height is a height setting for the background's ground color and sky's color. Horizon blur is a blur or transition added to the background between the ground color and the sky's color. In filter color, you can adjust the color of the sky. You can adjust the ground color too if you don't want gray lighting. This will be all for the basic part of the tutorial.